topic is how we can find out the nature of the roots of quadratic equations. Means what are the nature of the roots. It may be real or distinct, it may be real or equal, or there is no real roots. How we can find out the nature? For find out the nature of the given equation, first consider a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And you know very well how we can find out the roots of that particular equation by using quadratic formula. That is by using this one formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac, as I already told you, the value of the discriminant and denoted by the sign capital D. Now three cases are arise here. First one, it may be possible that the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. It may be possible that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Or it also possible that value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now one to one we have to study this cases. First one, when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means that one particular factor value is greater than 0 or value must be positive. Whenever we put value here in equation 1, then we must get our real numbers and roots are real as well as unequal. Or you can say whenever the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then both roots are real and distinct, real or unequal, or you can also say real or distinct. The value of these roots are x is equal to minus b, one time consider the positive sign, plus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and for find out the second root, x is equal to, consider the negative sign, that is minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Next one cases are when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Value of this one factor is equal to 0. If the value of this one factor is equal to 0, then x will become minus b plus minus 0, because under root of 0 is again 0 divided by 2a. Whether we are considering the positive sign or considering the negative sign, each and every time that value become minus b upon 2a minus b upon 2a. You can see both values are same and real. Hence the roots are real and equal when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now move on the third one cases. Third one cases are when b square minus 4ac is less than 0. b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means this one value is negative. This one is negative and square root is given here. In case of real number, that is not possible for find out the square root of negative numbers. Hence, we can say there will be no real roots. Or we can say whenever b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there will be no real roots of the given quadratic equation. Now numerically solve these questions. First one question is find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is already given. Our quadratic equation is 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So suppose this one equation is 1. Now comparing this equation 1 with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Calculate the value of ABC. As you already know, value of a means coefficient of x square with sign, hence value of a is equal to 3. Value of b, coefficient of x with sign, that's why value of b is minus 4 under root 3, and c the constant term, that's why value of c is equal to 4. Next one, find out the value of the discriminant, or you can say capital D. Capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put all the values of a, b, c here. After putting this one value and solve this one equation, we get capital D is equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Whenever the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it means roots are real and equal. That's why the roots of this one equation is real and equal. Now what are the value of the roots? For find out the value of the roots, use the formula this one, x is equal to minus b upon 2a. X is equal to minus b upon 2a. Here also x is equal to minus b upon 2a because roots are real and equal. Put the value of ABC. ABC is already given here and calculate the roots. Roots is equal to 2 upon under root 2 and 2 upon under root 3. Right? Next one question, find the value of k for which the roots are real and equal of the equation k minus 12 x square plus 2 into k minus 12 x plus 2 is equal to 0. What is given in our question? Find out the value of the unknown variable k, and the condition is that whatever the roots of the given quadratic equation, these roots must be real as well as equal. When the roots are real as well as equal, then they must satisfy this one condition, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now what is the value of a, b and c? For calculating the value of a, b and c, comparing given equation, say this one equation is 1 with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now calculate the value of a is equal to this, b is equal to this, c is equal to this. Put all the values in that formula, b square minus 4ac, that one becomes 2k minus 12 whole square minus 4 into k minus 12, 2 is equal to 0. Solve this one, we get this. Now this into this factor is equal to 0. Product of two factor is equal to 0. It means either first one is equal to 0 or second one is equal to 0. So we can say either k minus 12 is equal to 0 or we can say 4k minus 56 is equal to 0. When k minus 12 is equal to 0, k is equal to 12. And from this one we get k is equal to 14. Hence, for k is equal to 12 and 14, the value for which the equation having real and equal roots.